If you remember, for the past week, we are discussing that 22,500 as the important level. And as I said in one of the video, even if it crosses intraday above 22,500, there is a chance of closing down below 22,500. And that is what exactly happened. Hello traders, welcome to the channel. Today, 16th March, Nifty ends this week at 22,023 and Banknifty at 46,594. And this week we saw a good decline across the broader markets. So along with the Nifty, Banknifty analysis, we are going to see what is the situation in small cap and mid cap as well. So to start with the Nifty, if you remember, for the past week, we are discussing that 22,500 as the important level. And as I said in one of the video, even if it crosses intraday above 22,500, there is a chance of closing down below 22,500. And that is what exactly happened during these days. See, here the high was 22,525 and close was 22,493. And the next day, high was 22,526 and the close was 22,332. So on both days, the price not closed above the 22,500, and I will share the clip which we discussed in previous week regarding this 22,500 levels for a better understanding. There is higher chances for reaching the 22,500 we have discussed before this if it is ABC. So 22,480 levels, 22,480. In previous idea, we seen the 22,600. So around this zone, okay, we need to see 20,400 to 20,480 to 580 or 600 levels. There is the chances of price moving higher. The first thing, and interestingly, if it is an expanded flat, that is to come lower, like this, okay, the B wave should not cross or will not cross the 1.382 levels, which comes around 22,500. See this level. So all numbers locating 22,500. If it is expanded flat, the B wave mostly will not cross 22,500. Even if it crosses intraday, it will close down, right? If it close down and may move lower to complete the bigger wave 4, right? If it crosses and closes above this 22,500, then this is not an expanded flat and we are making an ending diagonal in wave 5 or impulse in wave 5. Right. As we discussed, the price came down, and what is the possibility now? So as we discussed in the video, I still mark this as an expanded flat because I still believe that there are some space left in this particular impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I believe the 5 is not completed here. Since I expect some more space upside in this particular impulse, I'm not seeing it as ending diagonal as of now. Okay, so my primary view I changed to expanded flat ABC, and that's only complete the fourth wave, and final fifth wave may proceed to complete the impulse. This is the idea. And by looking at this chart, the price has gave a breakdown, but the breakdown is not sufficient. It needs to come below this low point of 21,850 approximately. Okay, this is the important level, and if the price closes below this level, there are higher chances that the price may move as per expectation of the expanded flat. At the same time, we need to check how the price approaches this zone, that is around 21,500. okay, there are chances that if it gets support, it can be wave 1 of 5, 2 of 5 and 3 of 5 may proceed, because I'm still expecting more space in this particular impulse. That's the idea. So we need to check how the price develops. For that, we need to lower down the time frame. This is hourly chart. Okay, I remove this line for clarity. See, this is wave 1 and wave 2, and this is wave 3 and wave 4 now. If the price makes below this level, okay, below 21,900 odd levels, this will become a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it become either A or wave 1 in a decline. If it is A, as I said before, we need to watch for 21,500 levels. It can become A, B, C and may start moving higher. If it is wave 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as per our expanded flat situation. This is the idea open now. Okay. For that, we need to check how the price closes down on Monday. See, during this week, I have shared a few charts I want to share with you too. So on 13th March, when the Nifty trading around 22,050 on 13th March, okay, price at important support zone breaking below the trend line and 21,850. So that's what we discussed. Not only the trend line, the lower level should be give up. So below the trend line and 21,850 levels, this can be an expanded flat fourth wave, and it can lead to 21,100 levels. That is the low of this point. Okay, we will get the most probable levels once the price action develops, and also another option of getting support at 21,500, and we will analyze it if it comes there. As I said before, it can be A, B, C, and this entire structure can be 1 of 5, 2 of 5, and from 21,500 it may start moving all-time highs. Okay, that also possible. So we need to check how the price develops here. If it comes lower, okay, that's the idea. And this is the chart I shared on 13th March, and this is the chart 13th March. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, same chart when the price holding the trend line. Okay, same analysis, just sharing the chart which I took before happening. And the next one is on 14th March, Nifty trades around 22,141. See, I'm sharing this chart for how we analyze the internal subways also. Okay, so this is hourly chart. What I said here, if it is minor fourth, the possible resistance may come between 22,150 to 22,180. See, on 14th March here. Okay, this is 14th March, and price giving a pullback. Why I said that level? It's a wave 4. Wave 4 retraces maximum to 50% approximately, but yes, of course, it can move above 61.8% also. So this is the level 22,180 levels. That's why I said 22,150 to 22,180, considering other factors. And the actual high was, I think, 22,200. Okay, so the price rejected from 22,200 and came to 21,850 levels. Okay, this is one chart shared for trading the minor subways. So, and this is just another continuation one. If the price breaks the previous low of 21,900, this level, okay, this level, the support levels to be watched is between 21,860 to 21,820. So we need to watch for this levels in Monday. If the price makes a new low, I mean this point, okay, previous swing low approximately 21,900, the price makes a new low here. So we can expect some support between 21,860 to 21,820. We need to see whether the price gets support there. Okay, 21, for example, we can say this level. Okay, 21,820 levels, 21,860 to 820. There is a possibility of getting support, but that will become a 5-wave decline here. That is what you need to understand here. Okay, right. And again, these are not any recommendation, guys. And many people have asked shorter time frame wave count. So just thought of sharing this. Same. This is 5-minute chart. This is the start of decline. I counted like this. 1 2 3 4 5 1 ABC 2 1 2 3 4 5 3 ABC 4 and 1 2 3 4 possibly one more low. Okay, of course it can make a only three-way move and may move upside. We need to recount if the price does not make a new low, I mean below 21,900. Yes, so assuming it will make a one more low, so this is 5-minute chart 1 2 3 and I shared sharing only for observing. Need to check for the resistance between 2230 to 2260. Okay, see the chart at this level. Okay, and resistance between 2230 to 2260, and if rejects possibly one more low as I explained now. And as of now the price got rejected at 22,050. Okay, that is within our zone. As of now the price getting rejected and holding that level, and we need to wait what does price do here, either making a new low or moving higher. Okay, this is the observation and this is the study I shared during this week, and all I am sharing only for the purpose of learning the waves and how to use the waves during the real time. Okay, yes, I am sharing only one video on weekly basis. Within a month's time I will be sharing minimum 2 to 3 videos per week. So I need your support as usual. Just within a month's time I will be posting more videos, even thought of including the commodities and stock queries. As like before, we can have your stocks and we can discuss during the weekend, and currencies, so we can expand the analysis part during the weekend. So all I have planned in 1 month's time. So keep supporting. Thank you. So this is what I shared during this week, and this is what we need to see in upcoming week also. Okay, so the possibility is if the price makes one more low to 21,900, below 21,900, the levels we need to watch is around 21,860 to 21,820. If it gets support, we can see a good bounce in the markets in Nifty. So if that happens, we can expect, I'm just assuming, around 850 or levels. Okay, so we may expect a bounce to even 22,250 points. So possibly we have a bounce back next week after a small decline in Monday. So this is the update for Nifty and Banknifty. See, this is not clear impulsive, right? This is what I am discussing, same points. So what I can do is, still we have some hope for upside. I mark it as a leading diagonal. Okay, this is what we discussed, A, B, C, D, E, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the price has already retraced 50% of this entire upswing. See, holding the 50%. But I believe an ABC may proceed by seeing Nifty. See, primary view is Nifty will make one more low and it will become a wave A or wave 1, and we will have a one more downswing. Okay, the possibility of decline is there in Nifty and markets. So I too take this option as ABC. So to sync with the Nifty, because as per the Dow theory, all the indices should move together. So if Nifty makes a wave 1 or wave A, this also possible here. So ABC. Okay, sharing with that idea. So yes, here also we will get a pullback and reject, and the price may break down this trend line and may get support around 45,840 to 45,600. So this is the idea now in Bank Nifty, but please remember the Bank Nifty's crucial level is, because Nifty all other things are clearly it made a new impulse, but Bank Nifty not yet done that. So this is very important level. Okay, even if declines, this level should not give up. I mean the low point. We discussed the same thing in previous video or 2 weeks before. So whatever happens, this level should be protected, 44,300. I believe this will not happen, It may come little lower and might start moving higher to make the all-time highs. This is the primary view, and this correction mostly will not happen, right? But anyway, I'm just sharing the probability on daily chart. So this is the pattern I am seeing right now. So yes, already holding the 50% retracement, that is good enough. But while seeing the Nifty, there is a possibility of one more decline. So it may make a B, C and may start moving higher. Let's see view now. So let's see how Nifty behaves on Monday so that we can have a clear view on Bank Nifty also. So this is the view on Bank Nifty. Yes, a small decline and a bounce is due in Bank Nifty to upside. So A, B and C. We need to see the bounce. Definitely we need to see the internals of bounce and also how Nifty behaves on Monday. Either 5-wave decline or a 3-wave. That decides the next price action. Okay, this is the update on Nifty and Bank Nifty. And small cap. See, from 2020, if we take this as a wave 1 and wave 2, okay, this is subwave 1 of 3, 2 of 3, and actually I mark it entire wave as 3 of 3 because of this price action. So in that case, there is a possibility of one more high is due to complete the wave 3 itself. This is because to satisfy with the Nifty, okay, because Nifty I mark it as just wave 4 now, ABC, to complete the wave 4 and wave 5 to complete the impulse. The same opinion, I'm just aligning with each other, that's all. So in that way, I initially thought a 1 2 and 1 2 3, just completing the 3 of 3 and 4 and 5 to proceed upside. But anyway, for safer side, we just mark it now as 1 2 3 4 5. But I'm not 100% convinced that the wave 3 has ended here. For that, we need to see how the price action develops. If it is if this correction not ends here and turn to be a complex ABC and one X and one more ABC to this low around 13,000, that's a possibility. Okay, the question is, are we coming to 13,000 in this correction or one more higher and coming back to 13,000? That's the question now for me. For safer side, I'm assuming now the wave 3 completed here, but I'm not 100% convincing in that move, but we need to watch the bounce so that we can get a more clarity. And interestingly, if I draw a Elliott wave channel, not a normal channel, okay, from 0.2 wave 2 connecting with top of wave 1, see the price exactly stopped at this top of this channel. See, okay, and I use the Fib numbers. It stopped almost at 100% of this wave 1. See here, that is why the price rejected here. The channel top and 100% of this wave face the very big resistance. So are we completed wave 3? That is where the question. Because wave 3 usually move higher, and also the wave 3, see the wave 3 usually break above this channel and move above this 100%. That's the usual character of wave 3. That is why I'm not convincing that wave 3 has ended here. Okay. So anyway, let's see. So we will analyze the daily chart for where is the possible support now. I have shared one tweet regarding the small cap. Okay, on 13th March. Okay, 13th March. While this candle, declining candle, see, space is there. Probably this decline is 4 of larger 3. I just now informed, right? This is my primary count, but for safety, I'm assuming the wave 3 has ended here, and the support levels are marked in chart. If declines, initial support may come between 14,000 to 13,850. Okay, and if you see the support level 14,085, you can see this low point here while I keep the cursor here, 14,085. Okay, but what I said was initial support. So as we predicted, we got a good support, but I believe one more low is possible. Where will the decline ends? For that, we need to very clear in this wave. Wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 possible. If it is, wave 3 has been completed, and we need to get this low point from here, and there is a possibility of low below 13,300. That is what I said. 13,000 is reachable. But my question is, will it come in this decline itself? For example, ABC, a complex ABC. If this pattern make like this, I may assume that the bigger wave 3 has been completed. But the price with minor low, with one more low and make a new high, I will mark this as 3 of 3, and the bigger third may complete after the one more high. Okay, so this is 1, 2, and this entire wave is wave 3 and wave 4 and wave 5. In that sense, what is the possibility? So that's why I mentioned one more low to 13,850 on worst case, 13,600 we need to see in a particular this decline. Then we will get a good bounce. We need to watch for the bounce, how it behaving either in 5 waves or 3 waves. Okay, that decides the whether we completed the bigger 3 or just 3 of 3 is completed. Okay, I hope you understand, right? Okay, so same like mid cap. See, this is wave 1 and wave 2, but same considering all the factors. For safety, I assume wave 3 has been completed here, and if you see the same channel technique, the price stops at the end of the channel. Okay, that's the interesting part. That is an Elliott wave channel, and if it is wave 1, 2, 3, I'm going to daily chart. If it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is the entire third wave has been completed here, the correction may be minimum expected to 16,250 to 16,000 levels. Minimum we can expect. Okay, in mid cap, because mid cap has some space, or it may take some more time. Okay, in this way, that is wave 1, 2, and 3 has been completed. But comparing the Nifty, and even I have one doubt in small cap that either the third wave itself not completed. By assuming that idea, this is 1, 2, and it can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in that sense, the expected level, the price already reached a minimum expectation of near 23%, but one more low is still possible in mid cap. Okay, it is A, B, so possibly 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. One more low is possible in mid cap. So thinking with all the indices, one more low is possible in all the indices, right? Nifty, Banknifty, small cap, and mid cap. So we need to expect the minimum support level, at least to complete one part of correction if it is extended, for 16,600 levels. Okay, 16,600 to 16,550 we can expect the support, initial support in mid cap, because small cap we have seen a good decline and reaches the support point already, but mid cap has some space. That's why I'm saying. So we need to check how the price action develops in the coming week. The thing I'm mentioning in broader markets is we don't know whether the wave 3 has completed or not. Okay, if wave 3 is completed, we will have a bigger wave 4 correction or a time consuming wave 4 correction. This will not end here. Okay, after one more decline we will get a bounce. Yes, we will get a bounce in next week after completing a decline. Okay, after a bounce we may get a one more decline also if it is a fourth wave, bigger fourth wave. That's why I'm saying after the decline we should watch the bounce, how it is behaving. If it is a complex, because in my opinion there is some space in upside also and also in downside also. In downside I am expecting minimum 13,000 levels, 13,100 levels. Okay, that's higher chances are there. And at the same time, if it is a minor third, that is 1, 2, 3, it may goes to the 17,000 levels and then fall back to 13,000. That is what we need to understand. Either it is coming in this decline itself or one more high and lower to 13,000. That is decided by the bounce which are getting from after one more low. That bounce mostly decide that. If it is a complex and 3 wave, we may get a decline here itself and we may assume wave 3 has been completed here. If moves from here itself, we may assume the primary point of we are still in the process of wave 3. I hope you understand. So for the next week, a decline is possible. Okay, one more decline is possible to 13,850 to 13,650. I mean 700. Okay, we need to watch this level for the minimum minus support here, the turning point. Then we should analyze the bounce, how the price action develops. Same like small cap, in mid cap also we can expect a support around 16,600 to 16,500 levels. We need to watch how it behaves, because it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I think this is not the endpoint of correction. Mostly this will not be the endpoint of correction. We need a one more low to confirm it. Then we will see how the price behaves in a bounce. Then we may decide whether the wave 3 is completed or just its all waves are part of a bigger 3. Right? So the levels we discussed in Nifty, Bank Nifty and broader markets also. So this is the update I want to share with you this week. So my primary view is some sort of correction may be left in the market now. So we need to get the clues in the bouncing waves. So thank you. Thanks for your support. And as I said before, I will post more videos in a month's time, and plan to add more services like analyzing the commodities and currency pairs. Okay, we'll slowly add more things in our weekend analysis. So I request your continuous support. So thank you. If you want to learn Elliott waves in more practical and understandable and usable method, that means to understand the Elliott waves during the live market hours, you can subscribe the channel and you will learn a lot more in the Elliott waves. Thank you. Thanks for your support. We'll meet you in next video. Happy weekend. Bye.